All right, so there's what we just left. He just told me to stay out of the way of all the other trucks that are coming through. All right. All right, this is the second area. We were way over there, and now we're gonna go in here for a little bit. There's an old Carmen Ghia Pontiac over here. What else we got? There's a Le Mans or GTO Le Mans. There's an old Thunderbird Volkswagen, like 50s panel truck. So here's an MG, old 50s car. I don't know what that is back there. I don't know what this was either. Let's see. Some old 50s cars back there. Here's a Lincoln Continental on its side, or a Mercury. I think with those lights it was probably a Mercury. There's that. I don't know what that is. If you guys know, scream it out. Put it in the comments. Some Mustangs. Ton. Look at all these old Mustangs. Bunch of old Mustangs right in here. Mustangs all over the place. And then a bunch of beetle bugs. Whole bunch of beetle bugs right here. This is only 20 minutes from where I grew up in Bucks County. And I've never heard of this place. I don't think many people do. It's way in the back. It's at the end of a dead-end road. And amazing that this stuff is here and nobody really knows about it. Old tow trucks. We got some 60s right here. Old 60s Mopar. Old 50s panel van, or you know, work truck. A Chevelle. Some older cars here. Old Ford Mustangs. I mean, some of the stuff is really torn up, and then some stuff like that panel truck right there, perfect rat rod material. We've got Pacer station wagon, Mustang, older Mustang, last on the road in '86. Two Mustang 2s right here, three Mustang 2s, the notchback and these two. 69 Chevelle right there. 68 Malibu Chevelle right here. An Opel. There's a Cougar. Crazy, right? 15 minutes in and we've seen all these cars. Let's see what engine it has. I don't know. There's what, 75? Is that the Pontiac version? Yeah, that's the Pontiac version of the Chevelle. I'm not sure what they called it in that years. Here's a couple 50s. Another Mustang. Behind it, another Le Mans. Next to that, what is this, Coronet? Dodge Coronet. Okay. All right, let's see what's next. April, should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.